Upgrader Chip. Let's learn about the number line.
A number line has arrows on both ends and tick marks for each number value. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. As we move to the right, the numbers get larger. As we move to the left, the numbers get smaller. Let's plot the point 4 on the number line. Draw a dot at the tick mark with the number 4 below. What is the value of point B? Look at the number below. The value is 2. Which is greater, point A or point B? Point A is to the right of point B, so point A is greater than point B. Number lines.
We did it! Great job! Until the next lesson, I'm Chip, and we are the Upgraders. See ya!